If you just picked up a 3rd gen Tacoma and you're wondering where to start with mods, then this video is for you. Today we're breaking down some of the best beginner upgrades that'll have your truck looking better and more personalized without going overboard. Let's start with the exterior. These are mods that'll give your Tacoma a much more aggressive look right off the bat. First up, we have the Yota X V2 Pro Style Grille. This is one of the cleanest visual upgrades for the front end. In just a few minutes, you can swap out your stock grille and totally change the attitude of your truck. You can choose between 4 different Raptor light styles, 3 different letter colors, and 2 light bar options. It's modern, bold, and rugged. Next, we have a budget-friendly lift kit. The Icon Budget Lift Kit that we've bundled gives you the right amount of clearance for bigger tires and better off-road performance without breaking the bank. The kit includes a set of high-quality front spacers, rear lift blocks, and 8-inch U-bolts. You'll gain about 2 inches of lift in the front and 1 inch in the rear, which removes the factory rake and levels out your Tacoma. Speaking of lifts, wheels and tires are a must. Upgrading to a bigger tire not only looks better, but performs better off-road. It'll give your truck a more capable and aggressive stance. After leveling, a 285/70/17 is one of the most popular tire sizes. On our Tacoma, we paired them with a 17 by 8.5 wheel and a 0 offset. A great combo that fits well with minimal trimming. Then there's the Chrome Delete. Black out your factory chrome badges and rear bumper with our Yota overlays and Shell's bumper covers. These install within just a few minutes. Just clean the surface, peel the tape, stick them on. It's an easy way to give your Tacoma a fresh, updated look. Last one for the exterior is the Yota X bed step. It's simple, but if you've ever had to crawl into your bed to grab something out of the back, then you know how helpful this can be. The durable, retractable step mounts beneath your rear bumper and extends with a quick tap of your foot, giving you easy access to your cargo anytime, anywhere. Now let's move on to the inside of the truck. First up, the shift knob. It might seem minor, but it's something you touch every time you drive. Working with our friends at Tinkerer Designs, we created a shift knob that shows what it means to love driving a Toyota, from the classic Toyota color stripes to our custom patches. It adds style and character to your interior. Install is also super easy. Unscrew your stock shift knob, screw the new one on, and then tighten the set screw. Next up, we have the steering wheel emblem overlay. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in making your cabin feel more personalized. These overlays are available in solid black or black with topo and install in seconds. And while you're at it, check out the AJT Design door handle covers. They give the interior a more tactical, rugged look, replacing that plain plastic with something way more custom. Available in multiple color options and topo engraving options as well. Bad weather is likely in your future, so WeatherTech floor liners are a must. If you're heading off-road or just dealing with daily dirt, mud, snow, or sand, you'll want the all-weather protection that these provide. They're tough, easy to clean, and built to last. Last up for the interior mods, the key fob upgrade. If your factory key fob is looking a little plain, upgrade it with an AJT Design or Miso Customs key fob shell. Both offer multiple color options, and our Yota Xpedition exclusive topo finish allows you to personalize your setup with something that feels unique. Now let's talk about lighting. This is where your Tacoma starts to get a serious functional upgrade, and it's one of the easiest ways to make a big impact, day or night. Starting with the fog lights. Swapping out the factory fogs for a set of high output LEDs gives you a cleaner, whiter light that cuts through fog, rain, and snow. You can also upgrade to yellow fog lights, which perform even better in harsh conditions. Either way, they give your front end a clean OEM plus look. Next up, taillights. Factory taillights on the 3rd gen look dated. Upgrading to LED taillights improves visibility and gives the rear of your truck a modern, high-end appearance. Popular brands include Anzo, Alpha Rex, Morimoto, and Form, each offering different looks and features. While we are back there, let's talk about bed lights. If you've ever tried digging through your gear at night, you know how frustrating it can be. Our Yota Beam LED bed lights flood your cargo area with clean, bright light, perfect for late night loading or setting up camp. You can't forget about the hitch lights. In my opinion, they are underrated. They mount low on your bumper or hitch and light up the ground behind you when reversing. These are also great at the campsite. Use them as rear floodlights while you cook, set up gear, or just hang out. Just plug the hitch light into your trailer wiring and you're good to go. And finally, interior lighting. Swapping out those old yellow dome lights with bright white LEDs from Diode Dynamics or Miso Customs makes a huge difference. It instantly modernizes the cabin and helps you actually see what you're doing at night. So that's a wrap on the top beginner mods for the 3rd gen Tacoma. And in my opinion, these are some of the best beginner mods that you can do. They're budget friendly, easy to install, and make a huge difference in how your truck looks, feels, and performs. If you're interested in any of the parts we mentioned, you can find them all on our site at yotaxpedition.com. Let us know down in the comments what mods you've already done to your Tacoma or what's next on your list. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.